Originally, I had a different video planned for today, but I got stuck ordering car parts. So here we are. Now I have to pull a video out of my ass and make this one. So, in today's episode, we are going to be making ramen noodles on the go. Oh my god, that is... Anyway, a while ago, I went on a trip and I got kind of annoyed because I had to stop at McDonald's not every 20 minutes, but every couple of hours, like twice a day at least, to get food and stuff. So I didn't want to do that anymore, so instead now I'm going to pack a shit ton of ramen noodles and cook them. Because that's what you do when you go off-roading, right? Anyway, let's go. Alright, I just realized that I do not have a fork with me, so yeah, I'm gonna have to eat these with a knife. Anyway, here we have the thing. It doesn't have any buttons. You just plug it in and it starts going, is my guess. What we're gonna do is take our water, dump it in. Let's try that much at first. We're gonna put our cap back on, like this. Undo this, because I have not tried this out yet, whatsoever. So, let's see how long it takes for water to heat up. Nope, it's doing stuff. Alright, so since this is kind of boring, it is now 8:09. I'm gonna wait for this to cook. And once this is cooking, I'm gonna come back and show you. Alright, boys and girls, it is now 8:29 p.m. So it's been 20 minutes since I turned this thing on. And yeah, there's some heat. I mean, it's not hot, but there's some heat. I mean, you could eat ramen noodles with it, so I guess, fuck it. I don't really feel like waiting anymore, so I'm just not. And is this waterproof? Oh my god! Oh, ish. It's a little bit waterproof. Yeah, it's got some heat in it. It gets warm. Alright, thank you for watching. I'm gonna go enjoy my ramen noodles now with a knife because I don't have a fork with me. This is so ghetto, but oh well. I'm gonna enjoy my ramen noodles now. Next week we will have a working on my car video, so subscribe if you want to watch that. Other than that, thank you for watching. Peace.